We love to scroll on social media for hours. Sometimes it is a really good escape from our reality. It's also a really great place to promote your products for your business. But how do you compete with all of those funny videos, TikTok dances, not to mention all of these high quality ads? How do you create content that actually promotes your products and services without literally using the words buy now? We're getting into how to sell without being salesy. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a social media manager. On this channel, we talk about socials for business, content creation and content marketing, and work-life balance. If that sounds like topics that you're interested in, I definitely suggest subscribing. We're getting into how to sell without selling on social media. It can be super cringy to constantly promote your products and services on your business page, but you literally have to do it. So how do we kind of get around feeling that guilt of acting like a car salesman while still posting quality content that our followers and our community will love, and also getting sales? There are a couple things to keep in mind when you are creating content that is promotional, is to add value to your content. This is basically just giving your audience and your followers something to take away from the piece of content and the post that you're creating. This can either be inspiration on how to use your product, the benefits of your offer, and how it will make your target audience's life easier, relatable content on the struggles that your target audience might have, which your offer has a solution for. Anything that adds value and gives your followers and the person viewing the post something to take away instead of you just saying to shop now. Number 2 is to let your page speak for itself. Whenever you post a piece of content promoting your services or your product, don't have to say, go to my link in bio, check out my site for more information. While call to actions are very important and very helpful, it can be a little bit cringy to constantly be promoting yourself and your business. So if your content is valuable enough and resonates with someone as much as it can, they'll want to see more, they'll go back to your page, and they'll find out for themselves what you can offer them. And it'll also make them feel like they're on their own journey going through your business without being told to do so and being pressured to buy something. And those people are usually the most loyal. Number 3 is to show off your personality. It can be a little tricky to show off personality on a business page when you are trying to stay professional. Your business has something that other businesses in your niche don't, just like every single one of us as an individual. So don't be afraid to let your unique business ideas, your branding, let it shine, because there will be people that resonate more with your business than with someone else in your niche. I'm not just talking about being trendy or sassy in caption. Really show what your brand values are, what your voice is, and you can definitely do this while still staying professional. Number 4 is to connect with people. Use social media as it was meant to be used. Comment on other people's content. I know a lot of people do this intentionally, where you set aside 10 minutes to interact with people in your niche in an effort to network with people who might be interested in your product. But genuine connections are much more valuable. If you see a really cute dog video, let them know what you think. Social media is a great way to interact with strangers, and it's literally a big fat inside joke. So hop on the trend, share your opinions, create relationships with people in the comment section, respond to your story replies, and this is also a really great way to build your community and a loyal follower. Number 5 is to have funnels in place. When you are constantly posting content about your products, your services, and your offers, you want to have a customer journey set and in place. Someone has seen all they needed to see from one post, ready to hit add to cart and check out. So make sure that everything is set up in order for them to do so and complete that order. You don't constantly have to be promoting your products and your services to get sales. As long as you have that funnel in place, whenever anyone along in their daily routine comes across your page, comes across some content that they really resonate with, they'll go looking for it themselves. If you have your website set up, your booking set ready to go, they'll do all of the work. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button for me. It really does help out my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you like seeing videos like this and you'd like to see more from me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!